Hello students, today we are going to discuss the first numerical of indeterminacy of frames. Question is written as find the static indeterminacy of the given structure. Okay, the structure is shown here. We are just writing the name of all the supports and joints, that will be the A, B, C and D. Okay, now we want to calculate here what? The total static indeterminacy. For the calculation of total static indeterminacy, it will be the sum of external static indeterminacy plus internal static indeterminacy. Now for the calculation of external static indeterminacy, the formula is R minus S. Now what is R? The number of support reaction, and S will be the number of equilibrium condition. Now in case of frames, the total equilibrium condition will always be 3. Okay, now the support reaction will be 3 reactions at A because of the fixed support, that is vertical reaction, horizontal reaction and movement. Similarly, 3 reaction at support D, that is vertical reaction, horizontal reaction and movement, like this. Okay, now the possible reactions or the external reaction of this frame will be equals to 6, that is 3 at A and 3 at D. So the total sum will be equals to 6. Now if we just put the value of R and S here, then the external static indeterminacy will be equals to 3. Now we know that for the calculation of internal static indeterminacy in frame, the formula will be 3C, where C is the number of cut required to open the loop. Here no loop is forming, so no cut will be required to open the loop. That's why the C value will be equals to 0. Now if we just multiply 3 into 0, then it will be equals to 0, and the total static indeterminacy will be equals to external static indeterminacy value, which will be equals to 3, and the internal static indeterminacy value, which will be equals to 0, and the total static indeterminacy will be equals to 3. Now we have one more formula of total indeterminacy. It will be equals to 3C minus RR. Okay, that will be the total static indeterminacy formula. Okay, now here if we want to calculate the total static indeterminacy, then you have to use the formula 3C minus RR. Now what is C here? Number of cut required to obtain cantilever structure. Here one cut is required to obtain cantilever structure, so the value of C will be equals to 1. And what will be the value of RR? It will be the released reaction. Now what is released reaction? The number of reactions required to convert any support into fixed support, but here the support A and D are already fixed, so there will be no released reaction, so its value will be equals to 0. Now the total static indeterminacy from this formula will also be equals to 3. Now from both the formula the value is same. Now if you want to use this formula, then you can go for this, and if you want to use direct formula, then you can go for this formula also. Okay, now that is the complete solution of this question. We had calculated a total static indeterminacy of this frame. Thank you very much, students.